Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. Don't forget the ink. There's some helpful information. May save you some time, money, and some grief. And completely change your buggy. Completely change it. So, here's a little gander at our shipping table. We got some little kits going out that we've been working on. What I mean by little kits is everything besides the Dodges and the big Chevrolets. So, right there, that's a 2008 Jeep. That one right there, that's a 1993 Chevrolet. That one's a 2014 Rubicon. Got the bigger shafts. That one's a 2004 Rubicon. That one's a 2010. 4500 with mile markers. 5500 with mile markers. Replacement hub. 2012. There's some hubs getting ready to get processed. Yeah. So, like I tell folks all the time, we ship out between 5 and 8. That's a lie. 6 to 10 hub kits a week. So, we is covered up, and we having so much fun. Because everybody tells us, Wayne, you have completely changed my buggy. This is the best money I ever spent on a vehicle. I didn't say this vehicle. I said any vehicle I've ever had in my entire life. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking.